Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see how many hours you have played a game on Roblox. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, so let's jump into it. So here we are, as you can see, on roblox.com. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is come across to Roblox and log into your account. Now, while it's not actually a feature embedded into Roblox that allows you to see how many hours you've played the game, there is something that you can do. So what you're going to want to do is open up a new tab in your internet browser and come across to google.com. In the Google search box, what you then want to do is type in RoPro. Hit enter, and then you want to press this one here that has come up so you can see RoPro Roblox extension. So what you want to do is you want to give that a click, and then you want to come down and press install on Chrome. So give that a click. You then want to press the blue button there that says add to Chrome. It is just going to then install, so you want to press add extension. You can see that that has now gone into our downloads folder. That is just finishing off downloading. And amazing, as you can see, that Roblox RoPro has now been added to our Chrome. So then what you can do is you want to come back to roblox.com and just go ahead and refresh the page. So once you've refreshed the page, the first thing that you're going to want to do is verify your account. So you just want to click this option here where it says verify. Amazing. So once you give that a click, that is just going to verify that for you. It is going to refresh, and then you can see that RoPro icon in the top right hand corner, and you can see the RoPro icon up here. So just go ahead and give that a click. So by default, the play on tracking should automatically be on. You can see that there's some other features here of this extension. However, you can see the option is here for experience playtime tracking. So you want to make sure that this is turned on, and this is now going to track how many hours that you've played certain experiences on Roblox. So in order for this to work, you need to make sure that you use the web-based version of Roblox, and that's going to go ahead and start tracking your progress. And it's going to track how many hours that you play a game. And that is it. That is how you can see how many hours you have played a game on Roblox. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.